Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. Today, we'll take you to a fun place, the market. You'll learn real English that people use every day. With simple words and fun conversation, this video is perfect for beginners, students, and kids. So relax, listen, repeat, and enjoy the journey. Are you ready to learn English at the market? Let's begin. Tommy, come here, please.
Yes, Mom.
We need to go to the market.
Why, Mom, what do we need?
We need some food. We need fruits, vegetables, and milk.
Okay, can we buy cookies too?
Maybe. But first, we will get the healthy things.
Okay, are we walking?
Yes, the market is close. Let's take our bags.
Got it, I'm ready.
Let's go, honey.
Mom, what kind of milk are we buying?
We are looking for organic milk.
What is organic milk?
It means the milk comes from cows that eat healthy food. No bad stuff.
Oh, so it's better?
Yes, it's better for our health.
I like chocolate milk more.
I know, but organic milk is better for your body.
Okay, Mom, I will drink it.
Good boy.
Wow, so many people.
Yes, the market is busy today.
Look, apples, bananas, carrots.
Yes. Let's buy some fruits later. First, let's find the milk stall.
Okay, do you see it?
Yes, there it is. Let's go.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Do you have organic milk?
Yes, we do. We have fresh organic milk today.
Great. Can I see it?
Of course. It's right here. It comes from a local farm.
Hi. Is the milk from happy cows?
Yes. Very happy cows. They eat grass and run around.
That's cool.
How much is one bottle?
It's $3 per bottle.
Okay, I will take 2 bottles.
Sure. Anything else?
Do you have organic cheese?
Yes, right here. It's also from the same farm.
Perfect. I'll take some cheese too.
Is this your first time here?
No, we come every week.
I like the cookies here.
Oh yes. The bakery stand is just around the corner.
Do you sell yogurt too?
Yes, plain yogurt and fruit yogurt. All organic.
I'll take 1 plain yogurt, please.
Sure. Here you go.
Lily, do you like working here?
Yes, I do. I like talking to people.
Do you drink organic milk too?
Yes, every day. It tastes fresh.
I will drink it too.
Thank you, Lily. You are very kind.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day.
You too.
Mom, can we buy bananas?
Yes. Let's go to the fruit stall.
I want to help pick the good ones.
Okay. Look for yellow ones, not green.
Found them. These look good.
Good job. We'll take these.
And what about cookies?
Okay. Just a small pack.
Yeah, you're the best, Mom. I had fun at the market today.
Me too. We bought healthy food.
I learned something today.
What did you learn?
I learned about organic milk and happy cows.
Very good. Learning is fun, right?
Yes, and I got cookies too.
Let's go home and put the food in the fridge.
Can I drink the milk now?
Yes. Let's have milk and cookies.
This milk is yummy.
See? Organic milk tastes good too. It's fresh and healthy.
Yes, I like it now.
It's fresh and healthy.
I will drink this every day.
I'm happy to hear that.
Mom, can we grow food at home?
We can try. Maybe some herbs or tomatoes.
That would be cool.
Yes. We can grow it together.
And we can drink our milk too.
Yes, and eat fresh food every day. Thank you for coming to the market with me today.
It was fun. I learned a lot.
We hope you liked our story.
Try organic milk too.
Stay healthy. Eat good food.
See you next time.
Great job. You finished the story. Today, you learned how to talk in English at the market. You also learned new words like organic milk, healthy food, and happy cows. Remember, speak a little English every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Keep learning. Keep growing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.